That thing sounds good, baby.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here with J&A Motorsports and Trucking. It's your boy Jerry. So today we're going to be working on this air filter. We're going to be changing it out. So got a 10mm socket on our handy dandy Milwaukee tool here. Let's get this one back here first. We're going to need an extension for that one. So second bolt, missing one right there. We got one more over there in the corner. All right guys, last bolt. That bad boy dirty. It's that easy, guys. Do it yourself. That thing wasn't that bad. Yeah. At all. Damn, look, it's got a little thing on it. A net.
That's nice. Keep less dust from getting into particles. Getting in there.
Alright.
We went aftermarket with this one as well, the bald one. The last one we got was a Packard. And they charged us like $300 and some for that thing. We got this one from Truck Pro. They only charged us $130.
Now this does go in a certain way, guys. Just gotta play with it. And whatever way it falls in, then you know you're good. So ours is good right there.
That's simple, guys.
It's that simple. They'll charge you an arm and a leg to do this at any shop. So
Just getting them bolts put in, and then we'll tighten it down. This is very critical for your trucks. Make sure you do this. Check it often.
it's got to do with your MPGs and a little bit of everything, guys. So performance.
our filters are so tight once they get on, they like don't want to come off.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. There it is. He's loose enough. Might be able to get it by hand now. Yep. There you have it, guys. It's a little trick that I was taught how to get them off. It's almost impossible to get it off by hand. But you do want to change these out at least once a year. As y'all can see, there's rust inside of there, and there's a little bit of moisture built up on this lip here. It's condensation. So definitely want to get these changed out, guys.
It's the new one. How good it looks.
This also brings a little O-ring, guys. That'll was the other one missing? All right, guys, so wife called the buddy Steve at the parts place to ask him about that O-ring because we didn't put it on the last filter change, but we didn't put it on because the one we took off that came on the truck didn't have the O-ring, so we assumed didn't take it. This time around, we know we got to use it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Just tighten it back down like so. I don't want to tighten it too much.
Yeah.
I think I'm just let it build
Hand
up air.
tight.
Yeah, hand tight and let it build up air. And if it don't leak, then we're good to go.
Yep.
So that's how you do that, guys. It's real critical. You get this done at least once a year.
Says it on there. And no replacement. And that's your part number.
There you go, guys. So, all right, guys. So there you have it. It's a way to save a little bit of money, and in the long run, you save a lot of money. End up saving money on fuel and everything. So this little video, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go on and hit the subscribe button as well, and activate the bell icon below to get notifications whenever anything new drops. But yeah, guys, until the next one, stay tuned. We got more stuff dropping here soon. So until the next one, love you all. God bless you all. We out.